Take a close look. I have never seen craftsmanship like this before. It wasn't until the very end that I truly understood why this young man spent just $1 on an old, rusty, mysterious object from a small thrift store. The seller claimed it was over 100 years old. To others, it was just a useless piece of scrap metal that no one even wanted to touch. But to him, it was a hidden treasure. His father-in-law was about to turn 100 years old, and he had been searching everywhere for the perfect gift. Nothing felt special enough. Then suddenly, he had an idea. What if he restored this forgotten object and turned it into something meaningful? No one knew that this rusty item was actually a classic piece with historical value. Determined to make something unforgettable, he decided to restore it himself. When his wife found out, she was angry. "How can you give this junk as a birthday gift? That's embarrassing." But she had no idea what was about to happen. For 3 sleepless days and nights, the young man worked non-stop, grinding, polishing, repairing, shaping every detail with patience and passion. Slowly, the rusty metal began to transform. What was once scrap became art. When the final result was revealed, his wife was completely speechless. And his father-in-law? He couldn't stop smiling. At that moment, seeing that priceless smile, the young man knew every second of hard work was worth it. Now let's watch how he restored this mysterious object step by step. The entire process is incredibly satisfying, calming, and inspiring to watch. Can you guess what this object originally was? Write your guess in the comments below. By the end, you might be surprised. Liking this video may seem like a small thing, but it helps support craftsmen like him who spend countless hours perfecting their art. These creators truly deserve respect for their dedication. Thank you for watching. Your support motivates creators to keep sharing amazing transformations like this. The restoration is almost complete. So tell me, how would you rate his craftsmanship from 1 to 10? If you enjoy restoration videos like this, don't forget to like and follow. I share new content every day. See you in the next video. Don't miss it.